Ever found yourself wondering how to seamlessly move money from your Beam wallet to your traditional bank account? You're not alone. In a world where digital wallets are becoming increasingly common for everything from everyday purchases to international transfers, knowing how to bridge the gap between your digital funds and your accessible bank account is a must-have skill. Maybe you've received a payment through Beam, or perhaps you've accumulated some rewards and now you want to use that cash in the real world. Whatever your reason, the process of linking your Beam wallet to your bank account is designed to be straightforward, secure, and surprisingly quick. It's about unlocking the full potential of your digital funds, giving you the flexibility to manage your money exactly how and where you need it. We live in an era of instant transactions, and Beam Wallet aims to deliver just that. So, let's dive into the simple steps that will empower you to effortlessly transfer your funds, giving you complete control over your finances. First things first, you'll need the Beam Wallet app installed on your smartphone and a verified account. If you haven't done that already, pause this video, download the app from your app store, and go through the initial setup and identity verification process. This usually involves providing some personal details and perhaps a government-issued ID to ensure the security of your transactions. Once your account is good to go, open up the Beam app. On your Beam Wallet home screen, look for an option like Profile or Account and Settings. This is usually where all your personal and financial details are managed. Tap on it. Within this section, you'll typically find a Payments or Wallet submenu. This is where you manage your connected cards and bank accounts. Select the option to add a new payment method, or specifically, add funds or withdraw funds, as this is often where the bank linking functionality resides. Now, you'll be presented with various options for adding or withdrawing funds. For linking your bank account, you'll likely see choices such as bank account, EFT, electronic funds transfer, or similar bank transfer methods. Select the bank account option. Beam Wallet will then prompt you to provide your bank account details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and sometimes your bank's branch code or SWIFT code, especially for international transfers. Make sure to double-check these details very carefully. A single-digit error can lead to significant delays or even funds being sent to the wrong account, which you definitely want to avoid. After inputting your bank details, Beam Wallet will usually initiate a verification process. This might involve a small test deposit to your bank account, which you'll then need to confirm within the Beam app. This step is crucial for security, ensuring that you are indeed the owner of the linked bank account. Once verified, your bank account will be securely linked to your Beam Wallet. From this point forward, withdrawing funds from your Beam Wallet to your bank account becomes incredibly easy. Simply go to the Withdraw or Send Money section within the app, choose your linked bank account as the destination, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and confirm the transaction. The transfer times can vary depending on your bank and the type of transfer, e.g., instant payments versus standard ACH transfers, but Beam aims for fast and efficient processing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.